Hi class! So for this week, we're going to talk about capacity and volume, which is learning block 23. Under capacity and volume, we have 4 lessons from units of capacity up until solving word problems involving capacity and volume. So since it's day 1, we're going to talk about units of capacity. Our goal here is for you to be able to identify the different units of capacity and convert liters into other units of capacity. Now, let's have this eyedropper here. Let's say that the capacity of this eyedropper is about 10 milliliters. How can we get it into liters? We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, 10 milliliters is equal to 10 divided by 1000 milliliters. It will give us an answer of 0.01 liter. Now, we're going to learn about different units of capacity, starting from liter, which is a unit for measuring the volume of a liquid or a gas. So, the next one is a decaliter. What is decaliter? Decaliter is equal to 10,000 liters, while hectoliter is equal to 100 liters, and a kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liters. How about the other one? So we have deciliter here, which is 1/10 of a liter. We have a centiliter, which is 1/100th of a liter. And the milliliter, which is 1,000th of a liter. So as you can see here, if we're from liter, if we're going up, you're going to multiply it by 10. If you're going down, you're going to divide it by 10. So just like this one. So from liter, multiply it by 10 to get the decaliter, multiply it by 10 again to get the hectoliter, and multiply it by 10 to get kiloliter. While the other side, you're going to divide it by 10. So when you're going to convert liter into smaller unit or downwards from liter to deciliter, liter to centiliter, liter to milliliter, you're going to multiply it. You're going to multiply the value of it to deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. If you're going up, you're going to divide it. So if you're going to convert a smaller unit to bigger unit, you're going to divide it. So we can use this to remember the units of capacity. So let's try to convert 15 liters to milliliters. So liters is what? Bigger or smaller? Is smaller than a liter. So that means we're going to multiply it since it's going down. So we know that in 1 liter we have 1000 milliliters. So that means 15 liters is equal to 15 times 1000 milliliters. That will give us an answer of 15,000 milliliters. Another one. Convert 25 liters to hectoliter. So hectoliter is bigger than a liter. So that means it's going up. So we're going to use division here. And how many liters are there in hectoliter? So we know that in hectoliter we have 100 liters. So 25 liters is equal to 25 divided by 100 liters. It will give us an answer of 0.25 hectoliters. Now, how can we convert any unit of capacity to another unit? So we're not going to use liter to convert it into other units of capacity. We're going to use any unit of capacity to another unit. So let's say convert 12 deciliter into milliliters. Now, since it's going down, so we're going to use multiplication. But first, how many milliliters are there in a deciliter? So we can know it by multiplying by 10. So from centiliter, that's 10. Then another 10 for deciliter, that's 100. So that means there's 100 milliliters in 1 deciliter. So 12 deciliter is equal to 12 times 100 milliliters. That means we have 1,200 milliliters. Next one. So we have convert 2,400 milliliters into hectoliter. So now, milliliters to hectoliters. So that's going up. So we're going to use division. But by how many? So how many ml are there in hectoliters? So starting by 10, multiply it by 10, another 10, another 10, and another 10, and it will give us 100,000. So 2,400 milliliters is equal to 2,400 divided by 1,000, 100,000 milliliters. So the answer is 0.024 hectoliter. Now, answer your student workbook through Google Classroom.